Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a fair price. Features also include keyless entry, power windows, rear view camera, steering wheel controls. You are going to love the 2018 Sentra. With its spacious and versatile interior and stellar fuel efficiency, the Nissan Sentra is the obvious choice for anyone who wants to enjoy a stylish and comfortable ride and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, backup camera, steering wheel controls, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.